Hey guys, welcome to Brainbox Smart Academy. So in today's video we'll discuss about medicinal plants, their uses, and they are also used for treatment of various diseases. So let's start with the first plant, mint, which is also known as pudina. So it is very beneficial in treating cold, cough and diarrhea. So next plant is dill. Dill जिसे हम सुआ भी बोलते हैं, and its scientific name is Anethum gravulans. It is a long day plant and the economic part used is leaves and fruits. मतलब जो हम पार्ट यूज़ करते हैं इसका वो इसके लीव्स होते हैं और फ्रूट्स होते हैं. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द प्रेपरेशन ऑफ ग्रिप वाटर विच इज़ यूज फॉर कंट्रोलिंग वॉमिट. इट इज़ यूज फॉर इम्प्रूविंग डाइजेशन. डाइजेशन के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है सुआ. देन लीव्स, herb oil consists of herb oil, that is philandrin, and essential seed oil is scarvone, which is 2.5 to 3%. Next is tulsi. It is also very important plant, medicinal plant. Tulsi tea is in India is very common for treating cold and common cold and flu. It is an air purifying plant and has anti-cancer properties. Next is lemongrass. It is also useful in pain management and has an antipyretic properties. It helps you to get rid of insomnia and stress, and it also relieves a sore throat and menstrual pain. Winter cherry, जिसे हम अश्वगंध भी बोलते हैं, its scientific name is Withania somnifera. Subtropical to tropical climate is required. Economic part is roots. इसके roots use होते हैं. It is used as immunomodulator, anti-stress, for anti-stress, and it consists of major alkaloids which is withanine and somniferin. Seed rate is 10 to 12 kg per hectare. Isabgol. So isabgol is very important to reduce weight. It also keeps your heart healthy, reduces the acidity, very important if you want to treat piles, diarrhea, constipation. It also lowers the blood sugar level, helps in anal fissures and controls blood sugar. Then is aloe vera, which contains glucomannan, used as a biogenic stimulator and in wound healing. Their gel is acquired from the leaf, is helpful for skin ailments, burns and other skin disorders. So it also lowers the blood sugar level and it helps to lower the cholesterol. Then is Kal Meg, important medicinal plant which is useful in treating the fever, the liver disorders like constipation also. Kal Meg has antipyretic, that is lower fevers, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant and antiparasitic. Treat children suffering from liver and digestive system related problems. Next is, so this table will help the students to study which part is used, the varieties used, the alkaloids and the uses. This will be helpful for their competitive exams also. So first is aloe vera. The part used is leaves and the alkaloid is aloin which is present and it is used for laxative purpose. Now what is laxative? These are the substances which loosen the stool and increase the bowel movements. Ashwagandha, roots are used. Jawahar ashwagandha 20, withanine and somniferin alkaloids present in ashwagandha, and the uses is anti-stress and immunomodulator. So immunomodulator is the chemical agent which modifies the immune response. Then is foxglove, that is leaves are used, and digoxin is present in this and used for treating heart disease. Opium, capsules are used. Dholia and Telia are the varieties. Codeine is the alkaloid which is present in opium and it is used for as a painkiller. Dill or soa, then seeds are the part used. Carvone is present in this soa and it is used for improving the digestion and controlling the vomiting and for as a carminative property. So carminative is like expelling the gas from the stomach. Then is isabgol. Husk and seeds are used. Gujarat isabgol 1 and 2 are the varieties. Mucilage is present in isabgol. It is used as anti-diarrhea and laxative purposes. Next is licorice, that is roots are used, and licorice is mulatti. So varieties are Haryana mulatti 1. Glycyrrhizin is present in this, anti-inflammatory and spasmolytic activity. Periwinkle, the part used are roots and leaves. Nirmal and Dhaval are the varieties. Vinblastin, Vincristin is present in periwinkle, and it is used as tranquilizer and anti-cancerous properties. So periwinkle is also known as Sada Bahar. Datura is the next. Whole plant is used. Tropane is the alkaloid present and is used for pre-anesthetic surgery. So next one is pipili, that is long pepper, Piper longum, and unripe fruit is the female spike, that part is used. Vishwam is the variety. Alkaloid present is piperin and it improves appetite, that is hunger, and laxative. Sarpagandha, so the roots used. Sarpagandha varieties are raw wolf serpentine 1, RS1. Serpentine and reserpine are the alkaloids which are present and is used for anti-BP. Then is medicinal plant senna. Leaves and pods are used. KKM1 is the variety. Sinusoids A, B, C are present in this senna and it is used for again laxative and constipation. Kalmeg, which is also known as king of bitterness. Whole plants are used and is used for treating jaundice. Glory lily is state flower of Tamil Nadu. The part used seeds, and colchicine is the alkaloid which is present and is used for joint pain. Cinchona bark is used. Quinine is the alkaloid which is present in cinchona and is used for treatment of malaria. So these were some medicinal plants with some of their important points which we need to learn for our exams also. So if you like my video, do give a thumbs up, press the bell icon to receive latest notifications, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you.